So basically after every class you have to watch the video. Not immediately after the class, maybe in next 2-3 days, 15 minutes each day. It helps you do a recap of what all you learned.
Yes.
It's easy to learn and it's equally easy or it's easier to forget. If you don't kind of try recollecting what you did. Okay, so that's why I will not ask you guys to memorize what I say. Remember each and every word that I said. No, math is not about that. But when you watch the video again, it helps you to recollect what all you learned on a particular day, what all we tried doing on the board. Is there anything that I'm still not clear about?
Okay.
See, I might not be a very good teacher. I might be a very crappy teacher.
No.
No, see, again, we need to be honest, okay? So, when you guys are watching it, you will not only do it for yourself, say, okay, fine, did I understand everything? Or, second thing that will come to your mind is the teacher teaching me right? Is the teacher qualified enough? Does the teacher know what he or she is teaching? So, it's an opportunity for you to do a recap and also see if you are learning with the right person or not.
Okay.
If I keep on teaching bad things to you every day, you need to realize soon that I should not be wasting my time with this teacher.
Yeah,
right?
Okay.
No, I mean, let's be honest, right? I mean, we are all here for a reason.
Yeah.
Imagine, okay, so for you have your parents, your family who will look after you, right?
Yeah.
So if I do something bad, they will take you to another better teacher. And that person will teach you, to make you more successful in life.
Yeah, okay.
What happens to her? If I keep on teaching her bad things, she will end up learning wrong things and she will keep on failing in the class.
Oh yeah.
And she cannot even tell me that, Daddy, you are not teaching me well.
Yeah.
Yeah, she cannot say that, okay, I don't learn with you, I'll go to some other teacher.
Okay.
She'll be offending me, right?
Yeah.
So I'm saying, you guys have to do that assessment. It's okay. It's okay to tell the fact than hiding it within yourself and telling a lie and getting hurt.
Okay.
If you're learning bad things, meaning you're getting hurt actually. Yeah? Alright, so come back to this thing. Again, remember, whatever I teach, I will not tell you this is where the assignment is. You have to go and search on Google saying questions related to this topic. It'll give you some sample questions.
Can't you send a worksheet?
I can do that. See, that's what I did today.
Yeah.
I'm saying, instead of me trying to find that worksheet, you guys do hundreds of searches on Google every day. Do one more search for yourself.
I bet.
Hmm?
You serious?
Okay? Search it, do some questions and then show it to me. Why I'm telling that is because if you do a search, you will get a different search result. She will get a different search result. You both will do 10 different types of questions. That will enable the whole class as a unit better, right? If I give you a set of 10 questions, say, okay, you do only 10. You will do the same 10, she will do the same 10, answer will match. Nothing more.
Okay.
If you do your search separately, even you make up some questions by yourself and then do it and show it here in the class. We are kind of keeping our chances more to learn. Okay?
Awesome.
Alright, so that's what we'll do. Now, let's do a quick table. Yeah. Because table is something I enjoy. It's like a song. Okay? So, 49 there.
Bro.
It's not bruh.
126.
126, yep. So it takes time, right? That's what I want to improve for you guys.
Yeah.
As soon as I say 146, you'll not say bruh, you'll say 126.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fine?
Yes.
Okay. 39 there. Not bruh.
I didn't say bro. 120. 117.
117.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, alright. So let's say 12 8 there.
196. Oh, 96. Yeah.
So that means we have to keep on revising it, okay?
Yes.
9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is
54.
9 6 is
63.
9 8 is
72.
9 9 is
81.
9 9 is
90.
So see, this is interesting, right? So every tenja is bruh. 8 tenja bruh, 9 tenja bruh. Because everybody knows that. You don't have to say it.
Yes.
Yeah? You don't have to memorize it. But yeah, coming back to serious stuff. 10 table we don't need to remember. It's easy. 10 tenja 100, 10 9ja 90. Everybody knows, just put a number. And not put a 0 after that, right?
So 11.
So is the 11. Only difference being 11 tenja is 110. Yeah, I mean that's how it has to be. Yeah. So let's start with 12. 12 1 ja 12 2 ja 24. 12 3 ja 36. Repeat.
So, oh dang, okay. 12 1
Okay, 12. 12 2 ja 24. 12 3 ja 36. 12 4 ja 48. 12 5 ja 60. 12 6 ja
72.
12 8 ja
84,
12 9 ja.
96.
Oh,
That's right. 12 7 ja 84. 12 8 ja 96. 12 9 ja
108.
108. 12 9 ja 120. 13. 13 1 ja
30.
13. 13 2 ja 26. 13 3 ja 39. 13 4 ja 52. 13 5 ja 65.
Yeah.
Repeat. 13 1 ja
13.
13 2 ja 26. 13 3 ja 39.
Yeah.
13 4 ja 13 no
53.
no drama, only maths.
Right.
13 1 ja 13.
Yeah.
13 2 ja 26.
Yeah.
13 3 ja 39. 13 4 ja
53,
52.
50.
13 5 ja 65. 13 6 ja
78.
8.
90.
13 8 ja
91.
that up.
Bro.
13 5 ja 13 5 ja 65. 13 6 ja 78. 13 7 ja 91.
I said 91.
You said 91? Okay, I did not hear you. 13 8 ja 104. 13 9 ja 117. 13 10 ja 33. Okay, now I don't want to do 14 and 15 today. The assignment for both of you, and no option to forget. Okay, not for. I don't want to spoil your weekend, so I'll not say tomorrow. But yeah, on Sunday, on next Saturday, I want you to write the table from 1 to 15 in your notebook and show it to me. Why? I know writing is not difficult, but what happens is, see, this is a trick. Okay, when you're trying to memorize something, you will say it, you'll remember it probably for 10 minutes, and then you gradually start forgetting it.
Yes,
If you write it down, your chances to memorize it for a little longer is better. Okay? So if by saying it you remember it for 10 minutes, by writing it you'll probably remember it for 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
That's the advantage. So when you write it, it'll be easy. Okay? So I'll not ask you to write it every day. I'm just saying for the next class on the coming Saturday, just write it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Alright. So this is on the tables. Do you guys remember what we have learned so far? What
Yeah,
all things we have
shapes.
learned? We have learned shapes,
Geometry, area.
geometry, where area,
Lines,
perimeter, yeah,
points,
lines, circles, angles, triangles,
squares.
squares, and we have learned to how to derive the area and perimeter of square, rectangle, and right angle triangle, right? And we know how do we find out what is the total angle inside a polygon using the formula 2n minus 4 right angles. This is the formula that we remember, right? If we are talking about where n is the number of sides. So if you are talking about a triangle, that means there are 3 sides, you put 3 instead of n. So 2 into 3 minus 4 into 90.
Okay.
That means 2 into 90. So total, the sum of all the angles of a triangle will be 180 degree.
Okay.
If somebody says you have a pentagon which has 5 sides, obviously pentagon has 5 sides, right? What will be the total sum of all the angles inside the pentagon? You will say this, 2n minus 4 into 90. So 2, here instead of n, you will say 5 because we are talking about a pentagon, minus 4 into 90. This equals 2 5 is 10, minus 4 is 6 into 90, 540. So any pentagon, be it like this, be it like this, any pentagon, all the angles, when you sum it up, it can never be different from this. Any hexagon, use the same formula, replace n with a 6.
Yeah.
And whatever comes here as the answer, that is going to be the sum of all the angles for a hexagon, no matter what kind of hexagon we are talking about. Okay? So, math is about being clear and being loud and being confident.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? So, you need to learn it right, practice it enough, and then you can be as loud as you want. Yep?
Yeah.
Alright, so we learned this one. So, there are more to geometry, where we have to learn about finding area of different type of other shapes, like parallelogram, like a regular angle, regular triangle, an isosceles triangle, and things like that. But we are pausing it right now. Okay, whatever we have learned, I want you guys to kind of hold it with you for some time. We'll learn few new concepts in the class today and tomorrow, and then we'll come back to geometry again with a deeper concept. Why I'm giving a break right now? Because I want you to hold that concept with you for some time, so that when we start again with a deeper concept, geometry doesn't look new to us. At the same time, whatever we have learned, we are able to reuse that.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so what are we going to learn today? So as I said, I'm a big fan of Madonna when it comes to maths.
Okay.
Yeah? So, as I said, Madonna is the most popular pop singer of America, and you guys know about it. So far we have learned about numbers, which is one part of Madonna, and we have learned about numbers, right? We have learned about integers, prime numbers, then natural numbers, whole numbers, whatnot, right? Even numbers, odd numbers, right? Those things we learned. So, and we have learned. Then we learned about shapes, area, and perimeter. All these are part of the same statement. Madonna being the most popular pop singer of America. So this S stands for singer.
Yeah.
This A stands for America. One of the P stands for popular. N stands for, this is part of Madonna, right? Right? So we are going to learn the next thing today, which is most popular pop. So there are two P's. We learned about one P, which stands for perimeter. So let's learn about the second P. That P, most popular pop singer. Popular, one P from popular, one popular P from pop. Okay. And that is what we are going to learn today. Percentage. Something like this. You would have seen. Let me know when you guys get bored. I'll sing a song for you guys.
Okay, bad. Yeah.
Yeah, you want me to sing a song? No? Okay. Alright. So, yeah, just to bring you back to the class. We are going to learn about percentage, or holistically you can say, I call it comparison of quantities. Okay. Meaning, how do you compare? Come to the class. How do you compare two numbers? Okay.
Which one bigger or smaller?
Bigger, smaller.
Decimal.
What proportion of? See, let's say we talk about 50 and 100. We'll say, okay, 100 is double of 50, or 50 is half of 100, right? Or then we talk about, okay, this is 20 is 50% of 40, right?
Yeah.
We learn talking percentage, right?
Yeah.
Then we talk about discounts or taxes, right? So all that is going to be part of this chapter. So what we are going to do today is not going to be only about percentage. We call it comparison. Come on. I always feel like somebody will type it for me. I look for keyboard than my fingers.
Okay.
Of quantities. Okay.
Yes.
So obviously one will be percentage. Other will be ratio. Okay. Then there will be something called discount. Then there will be something called taxes. And there will be something more interesting called compound interest.
Okay.
Okay? All these look, like a lot of stuff. But actually it's not. If you just know this and this is just blabbering. It's just talking. Meaning how you talk about things, right? So let's focus more on percentage and ratio, and then we'll see how that applies here, here, and here. Okay? I'll write something on the table, and I would want you guys to tell me what is that and how much sense does it make.
For sure.
Let's say I have 10 oranges and 5 mangoes. Okay? Somebody says, what is the ratio of oranges to mangoes I have? Simple, no? I'll say 10. 10 is to 5. This is my ratio.
Okay.
Okay? If somebody says, what is the ratio of mango to oranges?
5,
5 is to 10. So just hear the question carefully. That's the thing you have to do. Now, when you are putting a ratio, this is one way of understanding ratio. Right? Let's say oranges to mangoes, we said 10 is to 5.
Okay.
Same thing you can also write as in the form of a fraction. 10 is to 5 you can always write as 10 by 5.
Okay.
So this is oranges to mangoes is 10 is to 5. 10 by 5. If you do the calculation here, 10 is to 5 can also be written as 2 is to 1 because 5 to the 10. 10 by 5, I can always write this as 5 into 2 by 5 into 1, right? This 5 goes. 10 by 5 I can always write as 2 is to 1 also, 2 by 1 also.
Yeah.
This is what math says. I don't say anything. I did not say anything, right? This is what math is saying. Look at the board. Pay attention here, okay? So 10 is to 5 is equivalent to this. How? I did not say that. This is what math says.
Yeah.
Yeah? 10, I can always write 5 to 2, right? That's why we are memorizing table. Otherwise there was no reason for doing so. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm just simplifying it. I don't enjoy dealing with bigger numbers. Somebody says, okay, 10 million is to 2 million. I know that 10 million is to 2 million is like 10 is to 2. I know that it's 5 is to 1. Why do I have to say 10 is to 2? I'll say 5 is to 1. That's more simplified.
Okay.
Simpler, smaller, right?
Yeah.
Smaller is, people say simple is beautiful, small is beautiful, right? Because that's what is easy. If you have to carry me, would you carry me or you would want to carry a smaller version of me?
A smaller version.
Right? So that's what it is. Your brain is carrying all this information. Do you really want to carry a loaded information or you want to carry a cuter, smaller version of it? Right?
Smaller.
Yeah? So that's what it is. So that's what we always do. Math is always about simplifying things. Okay? So that's what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So this is ratio. So far, any confusion here? Clear? Now, let me wake you guys up. I know you guys are feeling sleepy now. I see you guys yawning.
Definitely not.
You want water?
What now?
No?
It's good.
It's okay. I mean, drinking water is okay.
I don't need one. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So let's say now let's look at your class.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have. Are you feeling like smiling? You can smile whenever you are emotionally loaded. Vent it out. It's okay. Okay. I don't want you to struggle with yourself and then see what sir will say and all that. Okay. It's okay. Let's say in your class. No, don't do that. When we were growing up, we used to worship books. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, so now we are talking about, let's say in your class you have 10 boys
Yeah.
and let's say 12 girls.
Hmm.
Somebody says, what is the ratio of boys to girls in your class?
10 to 12.
10 is to 12. Boys to girls is this. If you want to demonstrate that as a fraction, you will say 10 by 12. If for same class somebody says boys to girls, it will be 12 is to 10, right? Or 12 by 10.
Hmm.
Now let's read it differently, okay? When you are saying this, meaning for every 12 girls there are 10 boys in the class.
Hmm.
Or for every 10 boys, there are 12 girls in the class. This is how you are reading.
Okay.
Okay? I'm just telling you how to read it, okay? Did not say anything more than that.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember that. So, we just learned briefly about ratio. Now, we'll just come back to this in a different way. Now we are going to talk about percentage. Percentage. Percent. Per 100. Cent. Percentage. What we are doing is breaking this.
Yes, sir.
This is cent. This stands for 100. I don't remember which language, but cent stands for 100.
Okay.
Okay.
English.
You say century, right? 100.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. 100 years. That's what a century, right?
Yeah.
Somebody scored a century. You must be following World Cup that's going on right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So century is 100. Yeah?
Hmm.
This says percent, meaning per 100. Okay? I'll keep on stressing on this one because if this gets stuck here, trust me, percentage becomes a cakewalk for the rest of your life.
Yeah. It is.
So percentage per 100. If somebody says 20%, 20% meaning 20 per 100, 20 percentage or 20%, 20 per 100. Okay? Now, I'm not doing math still, I'm just telling you a real life scenario.
Okay.
You went to a shopping mall, you want to buy a shoe. In the shoe, they have put a board or placard which says, we are offering 30% discount on each pair of shoes.
Hmm.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
30% discount. 30%, meaning 30% percent, meaning 30 per 100.
Hmm.
Meaning, if you are buying something worth 100, you will get 30. 30 per 100. For every 100, they will give you $30 discount.
Amen.
Any percentage that you are talking about.
Yeah.
10%, meaning 10 per cent. 10 per 100. So, for every 100, you are getting 10.
Okay.
That is what the meaning of percentage is. So, again, let's look at it this way. Let's say you chose a shoe where the sticker says $200. Okay?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay to buy a $200 shoe once in a lifetime. That's fine. Maybe you can do a deal with your dad that okay, once I get to one of the best colleges that you want me to go to, you will get me a $200 shoe. That could be a deal. I mean,
I'll probably get my own money by then.
no. See, no matter how much money I have, I still like a gift from my dad.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mm.
Right? When I was your age, obviously I was not earning. Then I was totally dependent on my parents.
Yeah.
Now even if I earn, it really feels good if I get something from my parents.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah? So I'm saying you can do a deal that okay, when I go to one of the best colleges that you want me to go to, you'll get me a $200 shoe.
That's in like 5 years now.
It's okay, we can wait. Patience is the key to success.
Mm.
Trust me, if you have patience, if you stay persistent, you'll see result.
Okay.
I believe you know the meaning of patience and persistence both.
Yeah.
Yes? I'll give you a classic example. Till 2022, I was not mentally prepared what I want to do. Apart from doing a job. I do my job, I get my salary, I run my family. Okay, everything is done. But I was always worried about what I want to do for my society. Okay? And I just thought, okay, I'll teach kids because I know math and science. I can teach kids math and science back in India. I started with 2 kids, okay? And initial few classes, there were only 2 or 3 kids. That was way back in January of this year. Today as we speak, in my classes I have close to 700 kids.
Yeah.
700 kids. If I would have given up at that time, say, okay, I have only 2 kids in my class, no point, it's not fun. My patience paid me off. Okay, I'm
Mine
not.
is like 100 times more.
It's 350 times more.
Yeah.
I started with 2 kids, now I have 700 kids.
How'd you get it?
People talk about it. Some kids, kind of bring their friends, their family members. I keep reaching out to people also because again I don't take fee from them. They are kids from
Lower
from a different segment of society where my motivation was not to take money from them.
Okay.
So I just want to teach them. Okay. So yeah, coming back to this point, what I'm saying is, you will do your work right and have patience. That is what is going to make you succeed or achieve everything that you want to do. If you think that okay, I have started practicing dance today and tomorrow I'll become a superstar, no, it doesn't happen that way. You have to dance for some time, become proficient in that, and then only you become a star.
Yes, sir.
So from starting to becoming a superstar, it goes through certain transitions, and you have to put effort at each and every point in a very honest way. Okay.
Okay.
Don't expect magic. Magic never happens.
Yeah.
Magic is just in Hindi we call it हाथ की सफाई. People say, okay, I'll pick one pigeon out of my pocket. From where the pigeon will come? Pigeon was actually hiding in the pocket. He's just bluffing. Okay. There is no magic. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay? There's no magic. There's no shortcut. We have to put the effort, be patient, and have confidence. Okay. That was just see. I'll keep on giving you guys dope in between, so that you stay charged, and look at things in a more realistic way. Okay. Now coming back to this thing. Okay. So coming back to $200 shoot. Okay. You found that there's a very nice pair of shoes for $200 and you want it.
Okay.
Okay? And your dad has agreed for it because you did something very good and he's happy about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing holds true for her also, right? You can get things from me only if you make me happy. Yeah? That's true for every parent. I have to have my motivation in place. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so $200 shoe, that's the sticker price. You know what the sticker price is?
Yeah.
What you see on the sticker. That's
Yeah.
as simple as that. Now, in the store, when you entered, it says 30% flat discount on everything.
Yeah.
Okay? 30%, you have to always break it down. Percent per 100. Meaning, for every 100, there is a $30 discount. So if you pick up something which says $100, they'll give you $30 discount.
Yeah.
So 100 minus 30. This is what you will have to pay to the store. This is per 100. You picked up something which is 200.
Oh, plus taxes, right?
Taxes, we'll just forget about it for now. We'll come to that later. Okay? Okay? I'm just saying, how to derive the discount part of it. Taxes, obviously, it's not something that is wrong. It is going to come into play, and we're going to talk about it, part of our agenda, okay?
Okay.
So, part two, again, coming back, it's a $200 shoe, and 30%, okay? 30 per 100. For every 100, there is 30. So, here we are talking about $200 shoe. So, for this 100, 30, and there are another 100 here. For that also 30.
Okay.
So total discount that I'll get for a $200 shoe is
30.
30 plus 30, 60.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me? Are you able to follow? I mean, if it is cryptic, let me know. I can make it even simpler.
No,
Is it okay? Okay for
Okay.
you? Alright. So now, we'll do it little differently. So, it says 30% discount. So for every 100, there is a $30 discount.
Mm.
What if the price of the shoe was $1? How much discount it will be?
0.
No. 30%. The 30. Yeah. So
Wait. Oh, yeah, I see.
so this is see. Treat this like a equal to sign. Okay. So this 100 can be. Now let me make it. See, I will look very stupid while doing it. Okay.
Okay.
But I want to look stupid. I love looking stupid.
Yeah.
Okay. So this 100 I can always write as 100 into 1, right?
Mm.
Yeah. So for every $100 there is $30 discount. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for $1, how much will be the discount? 30 will remain 30. This 100 is extra here.
Yeah.
I don't need 100 because I'm trying to figure out what will be the discount for $1. If the sticker price is $1, what will be my discount? That will be. Always, I'm saying visualize this as an equal to sign. Here it is into. If you make this guy cross the wall, multiplication becomes division.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Plus becomes minus.
Mm.
Minus becomes plus. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. If you make the guy cross this wall or the equal to sign.
Mm.
No, Myra, I mean, this concept might not be there in grade 5. I'm just trying to make you understand this. If you find this difficult, let me know. So, now again reading this from here. Gopal, pay attention. So, so this is 30% discount, meaning for every $100, there is a $30 discount. Meaning 100 into $1, $30 discount. For $1, how much is the discount? This is a multiplication here. This becomes 30 by 100.
Mm.
That is why she was, I don't know whether she calculated or made a guess. She said 30 cents.
Yeah.
30 by 100 is 30. See, that is $30.
Yeah.
So $30 you can always say 30 into 100 cents. So this becomes 30 cents.
Okay.
Yeah? Or 30 by 100, this thing, whatever. So anyways, I'm not doing that calculation right now. I'm not converting that into cents. I'm saying for $1 there will be 30 by $100. This much discount. So my shoes price is $200.
Mm.
For one, remember somebody says one banana comes for 20 cents. 5 banana will be 20 into 5. 10 banana will be 20 into 10.
Yeah.
Right? So here for $1 the discount is 30 by 100. So for 200 it will be 30 by 100 into 200. Now you do the calculation and you figure out what the answer will be.
Yes, sir.
So let's do the calculation here. So this becomes 60. See, this is what I told you, right? For every 30% is every 100 is 30. So 200 is 30 plus 30, 60.
Yeah.
So this is $60 discount.
Okay.
This is how we calculated it. Now let's do it a couple of more times. Now you pick up another dress in the store. Same 30% discount. Okay.
Mm.
So the price of the jacket that you picked up is $56. Okay? You are trying to figure out what is the discount I'm going to get. So you know, same thing. For every $100, $30 discount. $1, 30 by $100 discount. So for $56, 30 by 100 into 56. Bhupal, here.
There's no mosquito.
Mosquitoes? Okay. Many? Or
No, it's only one.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ignore them. Assume as if mosquitoes don't exist.
Okay.
Alright. So here, coming back here. So same store, I picked up another jacket which is saying sticker price $56. I'm just trying to figure out what will be my discount for that one. 30% meaning for every 100, $30 discount. For $1 stuff, it will be 30 by 100. So for $56 stuff, 30 by 100 to 56. I'll do the calculation and figure out what that will be. 2 by 5, 28. 84 by 5. This many dollars. This is a discount. So sticker says $56 and the discount is 84 by 5. So I will deduct this amount from this and that will be the total value I have to pay.
Okay.
So somebody says the price is $80 and you calculate the discount is let's say $25.
Yeah.
So what you have to pay is 80 minus 25. Discount has to be applied.
Yeah.
I mean you have to be given back. You should get the discount back, right? If you go to a store and they say okay the price of this stuff is $92 and the discount is $8. How much you have to pay? 92 minus 8.
Yeah.
That discount has to be taken out from the
Yeah.
price. Yeah. So what we are doing here is we are trying to find out how much is the discount based on the percentage and then deduct this amount from the sticker price so that I would know how much I have to pay to the store. Yeah.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do some more maths. We'll probably do 2 more discounts. Okay. So why we are talking about discount? It's very important. Very, very important. Thanksgiving is coming, right? Everybody will kind of flood the stores with so many discount coupons
Yeah.
everywhere, right? So let's say, what are you trying to buy in this Thanksgiving? Be reasonable.
I don't really know.
Because your dad is going to watch this video and then he'll start thinking about it.
He'll probably not give it to me if I do it for you.
Huh?
He's
No.
probably not gonna give it to me.
No, I'm just saying again. It's okay to have goals in life. Okay. See, I might think that I want to buy something. I may be able to buy this time if I have money. If not, I'll have patience to buy it next time, or I'll save for it. See, this car's loan is paid off. This car still is not paid, right? So I have to keep on paying for it, right? Once it is paid off, then that extra money I will be able to use for something else,
Yeah.
right? So that's how we do calculation. That's why knowing maths is very important. Otherwise, I would not know where my salary is going.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So coming back to this point, I said, okay, what? Let's say you want to buy a
Shoe.
shoe.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to buy let's say a shoe, and then you went to Nike store. Okay. You went to Adidas store. Okay. And you went to let's say Raglan shoes. Okay. I mean these are 3 stores mostly I remember. Okay. So here you found a good sports shoe, which is $80 sticker price, no discount. Here you found a good shoe, which says $130, 25% discount. Okay. Here you found one shoe, which says $110 as sticker price and 15% discount. Let me not complicate this right now. Say 10% discount. Okay? Now you like all the 3 shoes. You're trying to figure out which one is cheapest for me. Okay? where I have to pay the least because I like all the shoes.
Yeah.
So let's look at this one. $80 Nike storeroom. No discount. You have to pay 80 unless you want to steal.
No.
Strict no. Okay? You have to pay $80.
Yeah.
Now let's look at Adidas showroom. This guy says 130 and 25% discount. So 25% discount, meaning for $100 thing they are giving $25 discount. $1 thing they'll give 25 by $100 discount. $130 they'll give 25 by 100 into 130.
Okay.
Pay attention here. Okay, 25 times 4. 4 3 are 12. 4 2 are 10. This one 32.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro. Where is that?
Hmm? Your dad is already here.
सॉरी सर एक्चुअली
हाँ.
मदर वेट कर रही थी तो आज जल्दी निकलना था
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. तो ठीक है. So we only learn percentage today. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
What I want you to do. I know it's a weekend. Do only three percentage. 3% sums. You can ask your dad. You can ask your sister. You can ask your brother. Anybody to give you 3% sum. Simple percentage sums. Okay.
Okay.
And show it to me. Only 3. Okay. Considering it's a weekend.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing for you.